Hi to everyone. The European Union AI Act is a landmark regulation for trustworthy of AI. Its practical implementation hinges on efficiency processes. One of the first challenges, as you can see, today we are talking about regulation but also reporting. And the topic is how to report serious AI incidents. Recently, the official template with the guide has been published, is a PDF as you can see here, but while it standardizes the required information from administrative detail and AI system categorization to provide root cause analysis, it relies on static document with format create for sure a significant bottleneck. One of the first is the data silos, because each report is a standalone file, making it incredibly difficult for market surveillance authorities to aggregate data, to spot trend, or perform cross-incident analysis. Administrative burden. Manual data entry into PDF is slow and prone of errors, and we can avoid that, sure. Lack of validation. A PDF cannot be enforced for data format or provide drop-down for classification like of harm of personal health or disruption of operation in critical infrastructure. And these limit and lead to inconsistent of poor quality of data. I talked about something, and it is what I want to discuss today and show you. Moving from document to data. At first, let me credit Martin Eberts, because I started from his post and I looked into the AI Act Commission post, where, as we can see, they are available for downloading the draft guidance article and the incident report for serious incident under the Act, high-risk AI systems. So this is the report. As you can see, it's a static PDF document. And here instead is the proposal. What I did is, let me move a bit back to home, is a web platform with the SQL database where you can load the incidents. In my view, there are different approaches. The platform can be deployed directly by the Commission as a portal for submitting the incident reports, or the platform can be installed locally by professionals, individuals, or companies for structured internal reporting, with cases for incident carrying a critical risk level automatically submitted to the Commission. As you can realize, the benefits are immediate. Streamlined reporting, centralized databases, data quality, actionable insight, and this is just a proof of concept, but it works, as you can see. Let's do an example, a deep dive of what I did and what is available immediately for downloading. I submitted already a report to the platform, as you can see here. This is how it works, and you can print, of course, but jumping back, here is what we can do. There is a drop down here also, and we can do a search. But if we want to have a new research, for example, here, market surveillance authority name, we can see test 1, 2, 3, authority country, Italy, reporting date, typology of the report, initial, incident classification, okay, submitted by other, and here we can specify who is it. For example, let's do Fabrizio Degni, email.com, phone number +39, okay, and let's do Milan, 199, country, again Italy, next. The registration ID of the system in the European Union database, this can be connected, hopefully. but it involved the authentication to the other system. Nothing impossible, but is a way. Let's do a last in number, system description, blah 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 blah, commercial name, I know no, version, serial number, firmware version 1, then the next, the description of the incident. I was working on a file, then something happened. The number of the affected people, 1, 2, 3. Professional user, Fabrizio Degni, shutting down all the systems. Next. Nothing. Preliminary investigation results, root cause analysis, nothing. Okay, just quickly, it's a pending review, nothing. Next, general comment, this is just a test. And then submit. Now, the report has been submitted, and you can see here how it works. We can check it and print the status and submit, and of course, and we can export all of them in CSV, download the XML, export the data. Now everything is changeable. This is my view on that, but we can adjust according to the commission requirement. When it's done, you have stored with the unique ID. Now, for example, this is the structure in SQL. If, for example, I just did the test, the string of the ID is directly in the SQL, because you will have everything to run the web app locally or on your private cloud. All the files are available on GitHub, a repository with all the information and the guide for the installation. You have the structure, the requirement. Here you can get directly the information, and of course, moving back, the file to be downloaded for the setup on your system. Of course, this is just the first version. It's under Apache license 2.0. Thank you so much. Take care.